2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, CD player, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.